Hello guys, it's Tech Info and we're back with another video. Before we start, make sure to press the like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any future videos from our channel. Microsoft Windows is the most popular desktop operating system. The Windows 10 makes it very easy to share files over the network. Today, I'll show you how to share files and folders over a network in Windows 10. Before we start, you'll need to make sure that both of the computers are connected to the same network. This tutorial does not cover sharing files between two Windows 10 computers without a network device. You'll need to have a network device connecting both computers. First of all, right-click on the folder or file that you wish to access over the network and click Properties. Now select the Sharing tab from the top and click on the Share button. Type Everyone in the text field and then click on the Add button. Click on the small arrow next to the permission level and select Read/Write. If you do not wish to allow write access to other users, you can select Read. Click on the Share button. Now you'll be back in the Properties window. Select the Security tab from the top and click on the Edit button. This will allow us to change the access level for each user or group of users. Select Everyone from the list of group or usernames, click the checkbox next to the full control permission, and then click OK. Now you can access the file or folder from any computer or mobile device. All you need to do is open the network access and you'll find the files or folders listed under your computer name. That's it for this quick tutorial on how to share files and folders over a network in Windows 10. If you're facing some error on any step of this tutorial, feel free to ask us in the comment section.